So I'm here in beautiful Rocky Mountain National Park. It's bright and early, the sun is just coming up, there's some fog rolling through the valleys around the mountain peaks. Nice, chilly, crisp morning. I think it's like 55. Hopefully it'll warm up a little bit because I'm going to be wet wading today, as you know I always do. But I'm at this small river running through a nice spruce forest. I see this first pool back behind me here, so I'm going to go ahead and get rigged up and get a cast in there and see what we can find today. Thanks for watching. So I'm at the first nice hole I've seen. I've got a hippie stomper on, which is basically a small dry fly. Well, not a small dry fly, smaller than like a chubby or something, but it's a size 14 hook. Pretty brightly colored, yellow foam body, high floating, easy to see. So I'm just starting the day with some prospecting casts. See if anybody wants to dry. There we go. Oh, nice fish too. Oh my goodness. Oh no. He's gone. He's gone. So sad. And classic. What happens when you lose a fish? Your fly goes into a tree. Every time. Alright, got my fly back. Let's make a couple more casts, see if we can make something else happen here. I'm doing the make a million casts to the same spot technique. You guys familiar with that one? If I keep casting in the same places, a fish is going to hit eventually, right? Right? Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and pack up, move on to the next hole, but overall, promising. So I think we're going to find some fish today. Just across the way here, we've got a nice, deep pool. I'm going to make a cast over the rapids and see if I can get any takes. There we go. Oh, God dang. That was a nice fish. It looked like a cutthroat. Ah. Oh man, that was such a nice fish. It's not coming back. Bummer. Alright, well, that's that. Time to move on to another pool. My goodness. Please don't be one of those days where I just lose all the fish. Please. That was a really nice brookie. Gosh. Come on. Come on, Chris. Oh, okay. That one wasn't my fault. He just was being a wimp about his bite. That's all. Oh, no. Please. There we go. Oh. Okay. He's off. He's off. It's okay. We're not going to get flustered. We're just going to stay doing what we're doing. We're getting bites. We're going to catch some fish. We're going to catch some fish. That's a fact. Alright, real nice looking hole here. I'm going to fish the tail out. Keep working my way up. Hopefully get in here without spooking any fish. Maybe even land one. You know what? Let's on second thought, let's change it up. I'm gonna put a little my little olive jigged streamer on and run this deep through this hole. I think there's quite a lot of fish in here, and I wouldn't mind catching one. So let's give that a shot. There we go. Oh, it's a cutthroat. Come here, dude. There we go. No, it's a brown. It is a brown. All right. Of course the brown would hit the streamer, right? That's cool. Awesome. Thank you, buddy. See you later. Sweet. Well, that feels good. Get on the board. Lots of activity, but I'm not doing too hot, so I gotta step up my game here. That's a good start. There we go. What do we have here? I'm not gonna yell out what it is before I get it in the net this time. It's a brookie. Sweet. Yes. Gosh, feels good. Feels good. There he is. Beautiful little fish. Awesome. Thank you, bud. I'll let you go. Sweet. All right. Well, that was a really good pull. But I'm gonna move on up to the next one. There we go. Oh, wow. Nice, pretty brookie. Look at this spot. This is amazing. There he is. Stunning brookie. Amazing. Oh yeah. Awesome. What a cool place. There we go. Awesome. There he is. Sweet little brookie. Thanks, buddy. Awesome. Oh, what a cool place. This is awesome. So much fun. Well, I spent about the last 2 hours or so following the river. It just became a very high gradient pocket water. And I just couldn't really find any good pockets to fish. So I'm back down where I started. So I'm gonna get into this hole again. I've put a green size 10 chubby Chernobyl back on the line, and we're gonna go for it. Try to end with a bang. Try to get some fish on dry flies. It's a bit warmer out, obviously a bit later in the day, so I'm hoping these fish will be in a bit more of a topwater mood. Time will tell. I'm seeing fish down below, and I'm sure they see my fly. Oh man, isn't fly fishing just the best? Dry fly might not be where it's at, no matter how stubbornly I want it to happen. I mean, I see like 3 brook trout literally right under my fly. They don't like it. I could put a dropper on, you know, if I want to catch fish. That is. Which does sound appealing. Just gonna put a little tungsten bead, natural colored copper beaded nymph. We'll give that a shot. All right, got the bead head on. Let's see how this goes. There we go. Easy as that. This is a nice fish. It's brown. Come on, buddy. There we go. Yes. It's good not to be stubborn. Just put the dropper on. Just put it on. See what happens. There he is. Nice chunky brown. That might even be the one I caught earlier. He's got kind of the same red tail going on. What a beaut. Awesome. Well, that was pretty much the first cast with the dropper on, so let's get back in there again. There we go. Gosh, this place is great. Awesome. Oh, so cool. Another nice little brookie. There he is. Very cool. Thanks, buddy. Sweet. Alright, let's see who else we can pull out of here. Oh, I see one following. Oh, he definitely bit it. I saw him kind of chasing down the nymph. Yes. There we go. Another brown. Beautiful fish. Awesome. I'll get him back in. I'm still seeing more of them feeding in there. I think it's a matter of time. I think we'll pull another one out of here. Yes. A little guy. I'll take it. There we go. Ah, would you look at that? It's a cutthroat too. Look at that little cutthroat. I hear their greenback cutthroat in here too, so that would be perhaps a first for me. That's awesome. Beautiful little fish. I'll get this little guy back in. 3 species today. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, awesome day out here, so much fun. It was really cool being able to get into multiple species of trout. Ended up catching brook trout, brown trout, and greenback cutthroat trout. Overall, definitely a success today. The dry fly bite was not on the way I wanted it to be. I stubbornly kept fishing dry flies. Like honestly, I probably should have just put a nymph on, and I probably would have caught way more fish. But you know, you're a fisherman, you know how it goes. It's hard to not want to fish dry flies when it's summertime in the mountains and you've got a bunch of beautiful hungry fish around, but they just weren't having it today. But either way, we still ended up with quite a few fish in the net, and just had a beautiful day out here. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching my video, and I'll catch you next time.